Hello, everyone. My name is Nario Cantu, and thank you for tuning in for the Friendly Pharmacist podcast, starting now. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Friendly Pharmacist podcast. I'm Nario Cantu, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been making waves in health and wellness circles, gut health and the emerging science of the human microbiome. This area of research has revolutionized our understanding of how interconnected our body systems truly are. Let's explore the role of gut microbiota in overall health and how it influences digestion, immunity, and even mental well-being. Let's start by asking, what is the microbiome? To kick things off, let's define the microbiome. The human microbiome is a vast community of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses that reside in various parts of our body. The gut microbiome, in particular, is home to trillions of these microbes, living predominantly in the small and large intestines. These tiny organisms may be small individually, but together they're incredibly powerful. They're involved in numerous processes vital to our health. So what is the gut digestion connection? The most well-known role of the gut microbiota is its impact on digestion. These microbes help break down dietary fibers and complex carbohydrates that the human body cannot digest on its own. This process produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, acetate, and propionate, which fuel the cells lining our gut and contribute to intestinal health. When your gut microbiome is in balance, a state known as eubiosis, your digestive system operates efficiently. But when there's an imbalance called dysbiosis, you might experience issues like bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. More importantly, dysbiosis can also pave the way for chronic diseases such as irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease. Now let's talk about immunity and the gut microbiome. Around 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. The gut microbiota plays a key role in training and regulating the immune system. It helps distinguish between harmful pathogens and harmless substances, reducing the likelihood of inflammatory responses. For example, a diverse microbiome can help your body fend off infections and even mitigate allergic reactions. On the flip side, low diversity in gut bacteria has been linked to autoimmune conditions like Crohn's disease and multiple sclerosis. Probiotics, prebiotics, and fermented foods are gaining traction as tools to support gut health and, by extension, immune health. Okay, let's discuss briefly about the gut-brain axis. Perhaps the most exciting development in microbiome research is the discovery of the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication network linking the gut and the brain. This connection explains how gut health can influence mental well-being. For instance, certain gut bacteria are responsible for producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are crucial for mood regulation. An imbalance in the gut microbiome has been associated with mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. This emerging field, often called psychobiotics, is exploring how targeted probiotics could one day be used as part of mental health treatments. Finally, let's talk about practical steps for gut health. So how can we take care of our gut microbiome? Here are a few actionable tips. Eat a fiber-rich diet. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These are the primary fuel for your beneficial gut bacteria. Include fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir introduce live bacteria into your gut. Stay hydrated. Water aids digestion and supports the mucosal lining of the intestines. Limit processed foods. High sugar and low fiber diets can disrupt microbial balance. Manage stress. Chronic stress negatively impacts gut bacteria. Practices like mindfulness and regular exercise can help. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. While antibiotics are life-saving, overuse can wipe out good bacteria along with harmful ones. Research into the gut microbiome is still in its infancy, but the future looks promising. Scientists are investigating personalized microbiome-based treatments like fecal microbiota transplants and microbiome-targeting drugs. These could one day revolutionize the way we treat chronic diseases, mental health disorders, and even obesity. Additionally, microbiome testing is becoming more accessible, allowing individuals to gain insights into their gut health and make informed dietary choices. While there's still much to learn, the evidence so far underscores the microbiome's integral role in our well-being. Finally, as pharmacists, we have an important role to play in educating patients about the significance of gut health. Whether it's guiding them toward beneficial probiotics or helping them understand the gut-immune connection, we can empower individuals to make choices that support their overall health. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into gut health and microbiome research. Remember, health starts from within. Quite literally. Stay curious, stay healthy, and until next time, this is Nario Cantu, your friendly pharmacist.